I'm actually going to start working with this top area. And we have done a little bit of preparation on this model. And remember what we did in the morning, center back, because these sides will be pushed back, and pushbacks I have a strong center point of holding. Okay?
So morning in the model பார்த்திருந்தோம். So அப்பவே introduce பண்ணி explain பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So roots to midlines வரைக்கும் trim பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. As I said, நல்ல ஒரு base create பண்றதுக்கு. And in the பின்னாடி occipital bone ல இருந்து neck வரைக்கும் ஒரு plaits பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So that is again to create the base, and it will be covered by the front section use பண்ணி cover பண்ணுவோம்.
Yeah. So I'm just going to simply clip this away. So what are you guys doing over there on your side?
Alright, Joakim. So with Mitra here also we have done preparation and we have prepared her hair in a certain manner. We have of course used hold and play mousse in her hair, and then after that what we have done is we have crimped near the roots about 1.5 inch, and we have tonged, very gently tonged the mid-length and the ends for movement and texture.
You have it in the whole
Okay. So same like இவங்க hairல பண்ண மாதிரியே, but இவங்க hairல strong mousse use பண்ணி blow dry பண்ணி like 3 to 4 inches hair crimp பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
Yeah, and mid-length and ends you did tonging.
And 3 inches வரைக்கும் scalp ல இருந்து roots ல இருந்து 3 inches crimp, and mid-length to ends tongs.
Can I have Shiva on stage, please, to assist Mr. Joakim Roos with the clip?
Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
Color, it's a 7.44 shade. First pre-light with ultralight powder. First ultralight powder. And developer is 30 volume. Yes, 30 volume. Mixing ratio is 1:2. And lift up to 7 level. Undercoat is orange.
So if you want to, sorry, continue.
Because my desired shade is 7.44, it's a bit of copper. So we achieve undercoat of orange, then deposit 7.44 plus 20 volume developer. And the color mixing ratio is 1:1. 1:1 means 50 grams color, so 50 grams developer. 60 ml color, so 60 ml developers. Okay? Then leave it for 35 minutes. Processing timing is 35 minutes.